doing that. Gotta make sure these get mixed up.
Uh-oh.
Good job.
Oh, man.
What do you have there, Thomas? What are those?
Wow.
Are they cars?
No way.
No way. What are they?
Oh,
Oh
no.
no!
Oh,
Back and forth, back and forth. What do you have there? What are they? Are they crayonos? What are they, Thomas?
no.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh no. You drop a few?